My name is Jeff Hickerson. I spent 30 years in the construction end of the Navy all over the world, mostly field work, working in and out of boilers. And after 30 years there, moved to this area and ended up working for 17 years in a local retail store, doing all the maintenance from floor to ceiling, wall to wall, inside and out. After 50 years of almost destroying and wearing out my body, the replacement of all my joints was absolutely necessary. With total reverse shoulders, you are unable to do many things you are told. But I have proved almost everybody wrong, because I have been able to do twice the amount and twice the reach and twice the ability, just because of the expertise and the care that I was given here. There is no way that I could say thank you enough to the staff, the people, the professionals that they have here is just truly excellent and outstanding. I'm just so confident that anyone who comes here, if they do what they are requested to do by the individuals here, they will improve, they will get better, and actually they can almost get better than what they were before they came in.